In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with table borders in Google Docs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize the look of your tables so they fit the style of your document, whether you're formatting a report, a project plan, or a simple checklist. Let's start by opening your document in Google Docs and making sure you have a table to work with. If you don't already have one, go to the Insert menu at the top, hover over Table, and choose the size you need. Once your table is in the document, click anywhere inside it. This tells Google Docs that you want to work with the table settings. When your cursor is inside the table, you'll notice a toolbar appear just above the document, or you may see additional options in the main toolbar. Look for the icon that controls table borders. It usually looks like a square with a dotted or solid outline. Click on this to open the border options. Here, you can adjust several things. First is the border color. Click the color option and choose a shade that matches your document. Dark gray or black is good for formal documents, while softer colors can work well for more casual or creative projects. Remember that light colors may not print clearly, so if this is going on paper, test a darker shade. Next, choose the border width or thickness. Thicker borders help separate sections or highlight header rows, while thinner borders create a cleaner, more subtle look. If your table looks too heavy or cluttered, try using thin borders for the internal lines and a slightly thicker border around the outside. You can also change the border style if that option is available, such as solid, dashed, or dotted lines. Solid lines are the most common and professional, but dashed lines can be helpful when you want to visually separate information without drawing too much attention. An important detail is that you can apply border settings to the whole table, or only to specific cells, rows, or columns. To do this, first highlight the part of the table you want to change. Then, open the border options and choose which sides of the selection should be affected, such as just the top border, the bottom border, or all borders. Finally, take a moment to preview your document. Zoom out slightly to see how the table borders look overall. If anything feels too bold, too light, or uneven, click back into the table and fine-tune your border color, width, or style until it matches the look you want.